Hey guys, thanks for cooking with Tammy. Today I'm going to show you how to make my delicious, quick and easy, creamy Cajun chicken pasta. We're going to start off with taking clean, sliced chicken breast, adding our homemade Cajun seasoning. Once everything is well coated and seasoned really good, we're going to add it to a hot skillet. And because we're all about that delicious flavor, I'm going to add roasted garlic and herb seasoning. During the cooking process, you may see water in the pan, but don't worry about it. It's going to dry out over time. And now that the chicken is cooked, I'll be adding heavy cream. Giving everything a good mix. As you can see, the sauce is beginning to thicken. Adding cooked pasta. Giving everything a good toss or stir. And last but not least, a handful of freshly chopped parsley. And bam, boom, we're done. Just like I said, quick and easy, but most importantly, delicious. As always, thanks for cooking with Tammy. For full recipe details, click on the link in the description bar. Until next time, enjoy.